I'm sorry I made you mad, Lulu.
Me too. Sorry, Kippy.
I love you. But I still want to be the chicken.
Me too. So what do we do now?
Oh, I know. Look. Yeah, see, this is a picture of a girl chicken.
Oh, a girl chicken is called a hen.
Yeah, and this is a picture of a boy chicken. Boy chickens and girl chickens look different. So, Lulu, you could be the girl chicken.
A hen. Hooray! Lulu, a hen! Cluck, 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 cluck. I a chicken.
And Kip, you could be the boy chicken.
Woo-hoo! What is a boy chicken called, Franny?
He's called I don't know.
How am I going to pretend if I don't even know what I am?
Oh, don't worry, Kip. I know who knows.
Word Wally!
Where is he? Come on, let's go, go, go! Word Wally, wait for me!
The babies are here to learn the words for different animals.
And you will help us.
Start!
Oh, I know this animal. What is it, big kids?
Cow!
Yeah! Moo!
Aw, look how cute! What's this animal called? Lamb! Yeah. Ba! Ooh, what's that? Hen! Hen! Cluck, 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 cluck. A girl chicken is a hen.
Yeah. Oh, a boy chicken! What's this animal called, big kids?
Rooster!
Rooster! Yeah, I'm a rooster! Oh, what noise do roosters make?
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Cock-a-doodle-doo! I'm a rooster!
And now that we've learned the words, it's time for
I think that's hen for
Word Party! Hey, have you heard? It's a word party. Word party! Learn new words for a word party. Word party! Spin while you spout them, feel good about them. We love words and enjoy trying to shout them. Cow, lamb, hen, rooster.
And those are all different kinds of
Animals!
Yeah, animals!
Hey, have you heard? It's a word party.